In this lecture, we are going to discuss Mollier diagram. Mollier diagram for a steam represents enthalpy on vertical axis and entropy on horizontal axis. It is also called enthalpy-entropy diagram. This diagram used to find the properties of steam very quickly. You can also use the steam table, but with the help of Mollier diagram, this process becomes easier. The diagram starts with saturation line represented by black color. On the saturation line, dryness fraction is 1. There are constant dryness fraction lines below the saturation line, and dryness fraction decreases while going downwards. Below the saturation line, there is a region of wet steam, and above the saturation line, steam is superheated. These green lines are constant pressure lines, and pressure increases in the direction of bottom right to top left. These red lines are constant temperature lines, and temperature increases from bottom to top. Blue dotted lines are constant specific volume lines, and specific volume increases in the direction of top left to right bottom. Now consider isentropic expansion of steam from 10 bar and 350 degrees Celsius to 1 bar. To find the properties from Mollier diagram, you have to first locate the initial and final points. First, find the constant pressure line which shows 10 bar and its intersection with the constant temperature line of 350 degrees Celsius. This point shows the intersection of 10 bar and 350 degrees Celsius. So, it will be our point 1. For an isentropic expansion, draw one vertical line from point 1 up to the pressure equal to 1 bar. So, this will be our point number 2. By drawing horizontal lines from point 1 and point 2, you can find enthalpy H1 and H2. H1 minus H2 is the heat drop during the isentropic expansion of steam. Now here on the saturation line, dryness fraction is 1. You can also find the dryness fraction at point 2 by locating appropriate constant dryness fraction line. To find the constant specific volume at point 2, you have to locate constant specific volume line which passes through the point number 2. This dotted line shows Vg at point 2. Now to find the specific volume of wet steam at point 2, you have to multiply this Vg2 with x2. This is how Mollier diagram is used to find the properties of steam during any process.